Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a 1979 XR500. It's not mint and they pay much for it, but the motor turns over, missing a lot of parts. I got spark. The cylinder looks good inside. I checked with my camera. No carburetor on it. I'm going to put a little bit of gas inside and see if it'll make a noise or two. And the gas there, just makes a noise. Alright, little gas there. I doubt it's going to do anything. Oh, we got something. Try one more time. Just a little bit here. Woohoo! Man, that sounds good. All right, I like that. I think I might try to rebuild that. I got most of the parts. I bought another XR500, so I got two of them. I'll make one and a two. Might post a few videos. I'm gonna make an aftermarket exhaust for this. All the parts come from Amazon. I got all of them, all the parts right here except for the stainless steel flux core for my welder. But anyway, you can subscribe to my channel, click below. Thank you for watching.